Hi, my name is Thiago da Luz. I'm a Reiki master, and in this video I would like to show you what a Reiki session with me looks like. Your Reiki journey actually begins the moment you commit to your Reiki session. The healing process begins immediately the moment you decide that you're going to step into that higher level of well-being and when you commit to it. If you're coming for an in-person session, before we move to the Reiki table, we're going to sit together in mindful presence, and this I call chair time, and this is a time to just exchange information, set some intentions, and whatever is shared is always confidential. It's going to also be received in a loving way, and we're going to consider it for the Reiki session. So once chair time is done, we move to table time. And as you lay down on the Reiki table, you lay down there comfortably. I will invite you to start focusing on your breath and just intending to let go of everything, letting go of all concerns, being very present in the moment. It doesn't really matter if you fall asleep or if you stay awake throughout the session. If you do stay awake, I'll just invite you to witness your thoughts and feelings without attachment to them and to just relax. The Reiki session happens really passively. There's nothing that you need to be doing or something that you do that will affect the Reiki session. The session happens all by itself. In a complete in-person session, we have both physical touch and non-physical touch. And we address both the physical body and the energy body or energy field, which is the energy around the physical body and also within it. All that we are ever doing is to stimulate a body and the energy field, its own healing intelligence. Some people may think, oh, is a Reiki session for me? Really, it's for anybody, because a Reiki session is always natural. It's always working with your own body's intelligence to heal. It has an inherent healing intelligence, and so with the energy field. One is really one with the other. So there's different techniques we use. We work with both the physical anatomy of the physical body and also with a psychic map to address the energy body. So there's different techniques we use. An open palm usually addresses a region with a more general area where important organs, glands, or energy centers in the body are located. Sometimes we work with one or two fingers in a more focused way in a smaller region of the body. We call it points, where energy fields intersect, or meridians, we also call them. And things like sweeping for stimulating a flow of energy, a gentle rub to generate heat. So these are the physical techniques. So this is how an in-person session works. Once you are done with the table time, we'll lovingly seal the energy and just prepare you to gently ease yourself back up, and the session is done. In a distance session, the same thing is really done. We address both the physical and the energetic body, but the difference is that there's only non-physical touch. One of the advantages of a distance session is that you can receive it from the comfort of your own home. Reiki sessions are unique to each individual, but there are consistent effects that pretty much everybody reports, such as a deep feeling of relaxation, a deep feeling of peace that lingers with them. What Reiki is really doing at a most basic level is to de-stress you and to take away all that stress, all that is hampering the natural flow of the vital energy that is already natural to you. A Reiki session addresses things like your thoughts, your beliefs, your emotions, your desires, your relationships. All these things are addressed by Reiki. The vision and the reality of Reiki is really holistic. In a Reiki treatment, we acknowledge that a person is really part of a bigger, unified field. In addition to offering healing sessions, I also teach Reiki so that you can be empowered to do this yourself. I have founded and developed a method and lineage of Reiki that is called Holy Light Reiki. So if you feel called to learn, please let me know. Thank you for taking the time to get to know my services a little bit. If you would like to book your session, please refer to my website, thiagodaluz.com. You'll find my phone number and my email over there, and you can just reach out to me and schedule your sessions. Blessings.